Good morning. Today is day 22. We're getting ready to head out. It's a little more overcast today, but no rain.
It's a little more chilly than before, but that would be okay in the morning.
Yeah, that's fine. We stayed at a hotel and were able to dry things out from the rain yesterday, so yeah, feeling good this morning.
Got about 60 miles to Big Thicket Preserve. It's a camping area. Not a lot of stuff. We're kind of getting into rural country here, so kind of slim pickings on where we can stay. Got a kind of a stiff wind already, headwind. It's kind of discouraging when it starts this early in the morning, but we'll have to deal with it, so we'll see ya. Feels like a November day at home. It's cold and overcast, kind of chilly, especially when you stop riding for a while. We're riding on 96 right now. It's a pretty main road. Got a nice shoulder though. Traffic's kind of late because it's a Saturday morning. A lot of truck traffic hauling chips. I don't know where they're heading with all these wood chips, but they're a steady stream of trucks. See our friend Will C from the Hiking the AT commented. Good to hear from you, Pete. Hope you're doing well. Missed you on the trail later on, so good to hear from you. We're heading to the town of Silsbee right now. Just for some context, that's about 15 or 20 miles north of Beaumont, Texas. So all these small towns here don't mean a lot to people, or us, because nobody's familiar with them. So that's kind of general area where we're at right now. We're taking a break here in the town of Koontz or something like that. I'm not sure what it is. Got a headwind now, and got about a mile yet till we hit a bike trail, and then we ride that bike trail to our camp spot tonight.
Looking forward to that.
Yeah. It's cold, man. We got all our clothes on pretty much. Trouble we're having is just riding out here in the middle of nowhere. There are no bike shops around, and we knew that would be the case. And when you do find a bike shop, you got to take what they got. You can't ask for a specific tire or whatever. So we were about 20 miles north of Beaumont, Texas today, and we ate lunch at McDonald's there. And there's a bike shop in Beaumont. I called them, and they recommended Schwalbe Marathon tires, and he had 5 of them. I told him we would take all 5 plus some tubes and some chain lube. But I said we're up in Silsbee, 20 miles away, and he asked one of the guys at his shop if he'd be willing to drive up there and deliver them to us. So for 25 bucks, he brought them up to us, which was amazing. So now we got 5 new, supposedly puncture-resistant tires. We'll see how they perform, but yeah, they got to be better than tires we're running on now, because our tires got a pile of miles on them, and we were just, the last tires we bought were just cheap tires. That's all the shop had. So tonight we'll be changing tires and tubes, and hopefully that gets us down the road a ways then.
We made it to Big Thicket campsite about 2:30, so we have lots of time to get new tires on our bikes.